How to make a tier list. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can make a tier list. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up a web browser, and on your web browser, simply search for tier maker. So after you search for it, you'll find this website. It's called tiermaker.com. You can open it up. After you open it up, all you then have to do is create a template. Now you can choose on make a template here. You can simply choose any one of these here as well. You'll see a lot of different templates available. Now here what you'll need to do is simply tap on make your own template. Tap on it and it will take you to this option. So you'll have two options here. You can use a single use template or create a public template. So I'll just create a single use template. And after you're here, as you can see, there is a different tier list. Now I can simply delete this and write whatever I want here. So I'll just write SSS and give it, just change it, make it S, give this A, and so on and so on. So you can change this, you can make it however you want. You can also edit this. So there you will see different options. And yeah, you can then download this. And that's basically how you make a tier list. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.